All right, so 10 hours later, we're getting going. After editing a video, uploading that, we're getting up. I just had to throw her water out. Got a lot of hair in it, and need to start fresh. But we are ready to go do a potty break, and I need to do my pre-trip. We're gonna get ready. We're gonna go outside in a sec, get her potties up. She's gotta go. She's gotta go. And then we gotta hit the road. We got about 2 hours to drive until we get to where we deliver this load, and then we can move on. Hey, little dog. Yes, we did touch down in Memphis. We just crossed into Tennessee, got here to where we're dropping the load, and as I expected, you know, it was, I'll tell you what, it was a beautiful ride. It was a fun little ride, but as I expected, pretty much a waste of a day. They're not gonna unload me until later on. It's going on almost noon now. They're not gonna unload me until later on this evening. It may not even be till tonight, so it's pretty much a waste of a day. And then if add insult to injury, I need to go to a Chase Bank and handle something. And of course, in Memphis, Tennessee, in a city, there's not a Chase Bank within 140 miles of me. I literally can't believe that. I really can't. Normally, at least if you have stuff like this, you can, you know, take advantage of it and get something done that you need to get done. Unbelievable. It's just a real bad chain of events. But you know, the good news is, even with all the bad stuff, I love what I do. But you definitely can't make money and afford to do have days like this very often. I will tell you that. This will mess up pretty much the entire week. Definitely messes up half a week. It's just not a good deal. So I'm gonna have to find time to get to a Chase Bank at another time, and we'll see how that works out. That's gonna be kind of tough, but we'll see what we can do. We'll figure it out somehow, some way. We're gonna hang out here all day. We'll get another load tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Get us some good miles for Wednesday through Friday, and then get some good miles Friday through the weekend. We had an opportunity to grab a load on Friday to go out west, but as today's Tuesday, I think it's 21st February, the weather is getting really bad. They're gonna get several feet of snow even over in Cheyenne potentially, which is pretty abnormal. That's a big deal. There's already a truck driver gonna be stuck there for a few days. They've already shut stuff down, so we already know what that's like. A few weeks ago, we were shut down for, you know, not even that bad of a storm, just I can't imagine getting there when an actual serious storm comes through. So we declined that offer, and we are going to keep it out here on the East Coast and try and actually make some money and make up for this just situation of events. So, all right, I used a porta potty. I'll tell you, we're over here, this is a Kroger drop facility here, and you know, I will say, you know, it's not fun just having to go into a porta potty. I mean, we all like nice restrooms and bathrooms, but at least it's something. You know, I don't know, beggars can be choosers. I don't know. I mean, I'd like to have a normal restroom, but you know, for the drivers. But I understand truck drivers are nasty, so you know, just give them a daggum porta potty. You know, there's different ways to look at it. Some people say, man, the least you could do is give us a daggum actual restroom. But at least they got porta potties. They've got a handful of them out here in this staging lot that we're in. And I you know, at least I'm thankful for that. You know, you know, there's different ways to look at it. You know, it's whatever. You know, the kind of money they're making, they could have a restroom and afford to keep it clean. It just depends on how you want to look at it. Half glass half full or half empty. It's whatever, man. You know, but we're gonna hang out, and it's pretty much a day off, to be honest. So we've been out. I've been making a few phone calls and enjoying. It is a beautiful day. It feels really good out. So, but we're gonna go in the truck. Come here, pup. We're gonna go in the truck, hang out, maybe grab a snack, maybe grab some food around here. Maybe we'll see. Update y'all in a little bit. Hello. So I brought a little bit too much food, but I was gifted some like sandwich meat and stuff, some really cool stuff that you get like shipped in. And I just didn't have enough room. Kind of forgot about it, to be honest, as far as needing the extra room. And so what I did is I brought a little cooler and brought some little ice packs, and I'm just making a couple wraps. We've got some sort of like really nice deli meat. It's really good looking stuff, tastes incredible, with some salami and block of cheese. And she is real interested in what's going on out there, but she was snacking, I'm snacking. We got the windows down, getting some air, not idling, just hanging out. What do you think? Yeah. All right, so I went and made a stop to the UPS store while we were waiting. I didn't get a lot done, but I was able to work on some video stuff a little bit, and made a trip to the UPS store and returned that GoPro Max. Pretty much useless. Maybe my review video will be up and you can check it out sometime. But they have us up here in this staging lot way up there, and you got to walk all the way down here to check in. Then you got to walk back, and then they give you a call when they get you a door. So I'll check in with you in a little bit. Maybe it'll be a little while, we'll see. Showing you some behind the scenes. We're still waiting. It's been an hour since we checked in again, so it's going on 4. Said I wouldn't wait too long, but we'll see. You never know how long this could take. We'll get checked in and maybe we'll get unloaded. We're still looking to get a load tomorrow anyway. You see that little dog sleeping. So when that guy come up here and readjusted this deal, he took the wrap off a little bit, and I saw some water dripping out when we left out earlier, but some of them are damaged. We'll get that figured out. At least it's not a whole pallet or whatever. It's not that big a deal. It'll be all right. See that little dog hanging out the window? That crazy dog. We in this thing, man. Guy wasn't too happy I pulled in front of him, but hey, if you want to drive 5 miles an hour with your flashers on and not expect people to go around you, I don't know what you're doing. You're on a public street, buddy. You can kiss my butt. I said it a little differently than that, but oh well. We truck drivers, we can do that. So we in this door right here beside this white truck with this 208. So we're gonna get this setup going. Let's get this thing in here. Hey, little dog, come on. All right, so we successfully got unloaded. It was a bit of a process, man. I tell you, I don't know what's going on, but there's a lot of stuff going on for me. It's just constant stuff. But hey, you know what? Gonna have a good day sooner or later. Just got to put up with some trash here and there. So, speaking of which, they left some stuff for me in there. I might have to clean that out. All right. So they left me a little bit of trash. I'll actually be nice and I'll throw that away somewhere else. But they left me a thing of drinking water. Some of them spilt in there, even some up in the front. That's not my fault. That's they didn't wrap it enough in their bubble wrap, or their wrap, whatever it's called. But the closing of the doors signals the closing of a load, baby. We can move on. Hopefully we'll have some good days coming up. I got to get my mind right too. I don't know what's going on. I think it's just I got a little bit too much going on with trying to edit and stuff and film stuff. A little bit too much. I'm a little bit overwhelmed and a little bit need to get my mind right. I love what I do, but you have as much stuff as this, and now I'm not gonna make as much money. It's kind of tough on me mentally. Normally it's not, but I'm dealing with that a little bit right now. I just got to get my mind right. Hopefully get some good rest. It's still pretty early, but we still have an extra thing to do. I'm gonna drop this trailer right now. We're gonna drive a few miles away and go to the Walmart. I need to grab a GoPro attachment that you can't just get anywhere. It's a very specific one that I need for the mounting solutions that I'm doing. And the cheap one I bought from Amazon, man, it's not good. It's already broke. So, but the good news is we'll have it dialed in. I think this store has it based on what I looked at. So we're gonna go do that right now after Molly has her little break. Get some good rest tonight, hopefully. Molly, you stop eating that stuff. That dang dog. I gotta watch that dog. And get some good rest, get my mind right. That's gonna be kind of the key. Get some good food in us here soon. Hey, little dog. You say hi to people? Oh, yeah. So, man, it feels really good out here. I don't know what is going on with Memphis. You guys got a lot of security going on. I don't know if you guys got a lot of crime out here. I've been to a lot of cities and I ain't seen this much security. Unbelievable. Everywhere you go, security. But hey, changing the subject, we are eating. It's the end of the day for us. I'm just glad this day is over. And I apologize if my vibe and my energy and everything's not been good. We're going to get my mindset right and get back to really fully enjoying things. It's just been a rough day or two. So we're going to settle down and get some rest, get this video uploaded. I got Molly's broth in here cooking. We're just warming up, and we're gonna get her going. She's got her food looking really, really good. Actually, I got one more thing I need to add. But then I went and, you know, hey man, the Lord knows I'm fat. I got a couple chicken sandwiches, got some fries, and I got some mac and cheese, and I got a sweet tea from Chick-fil-A. You know, I just need to pick me up. Gonna do it. It'll be all right. So, thanks for watching, folks. Say bye to the people. We're gonna say bye in a second. Let's get her warm broth all up in that thing. Oh yeah. Say bye to the people. Can you say bye-bye? She's not into it. She's just ready to eat. Thanks for watching, guys. We're out.